Hey everyone, I married the love of my life last year and I made my own wedding veil for the big day. I know it would be wedding season right now, but due to COVID-19 lockdowns, maybe now you have some extra time to make one of your own for your future big day. What you'll need is some transparent thread, a pair of scissors, an embroidered lace fabric that you like, some tulle. I used 4 to 5 yards for a cathedral length veil. And last is the hair comb. Start by folding your tulle in half the long way and cutting the bottom part into a quarter circle. This will make it so the bottom is rounded nicely. You can draw the circle first or eyeball it and cut with scissors or a rotary cutter. The bottom should lay like this once you unfold it. Next, cut out pieces from the lace fabric. It's good to play at this stage just to see what works. I cut out a lot of individual flowers as well as bunches of flowers. Then you'll want to arrange the pieces onto the tulle until you're satisfied with the arrangement and then pin them on. Next is the most time-consuming part, sewing the pieces onto the tulle using the transparent thread. You could hot glue it, but it'll probably be more secure by sewing it. It should look like this. Cut out a long, narrow strip of tulle that you'll wrap around the base of the comb. I didn't film this part when I made it, so this is just for demonstration, so let's pretend it's not already attached. At this point, you'll want the length of the veil to be what you desire so you can attach it to the comb. Then sew a basting stitch across the top of your veil or gather it by hand and fold it over the comb. Sew it onto the tulle on the comb all the way across. It should look like this when it's done. Cut off any excess tulle from the inside. And that's really it. Hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to subscribe.